Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm bringing you this amazing snack time recipe which everyone will love. Let's see how quick and easy these bhajias are. I have shown how to sprout moong beans in my moong bean curry video and the link is in the description box below. We will now add a few flavoring ingredients just to bring out the taste. These are thin poha or flattened rice. These will give a nice crispy coating to the fritters. Add just a little water first and make a thick paste. I am also adding a few green chilies to give a nice kick to the fritters. Blend to a rough paste. The mixture has to be roughly blended to give a nice texture to the fritters after frying. I am also adding fine chopped onions to give a nice taste to the bhajias. Mix these well. The recipe with exact measurements is in the description box below. We will use this right away. Take small portions and drop them in medium hot oil and fry until golden and crispy. Keep moving in between. Click the subscribe button for such awesome, quick and easy recipes I post every week. Look at how beautiful these look. These are so crunchy and yummy and I can't wait to have these. Perfect for an evening snack with tea or as an appetizer. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next week with another yummy recipe. Bye!